everyone, welcome back. I'm Roselle and today we're talking about food truck insurance, what it covers, how to choose the right policy, and how to budget for it. So if you're ready to protect your business, Farmer Brown Insurance makes it fast and easy. Running a food truck is exciting, but it comes with unique risks. You're operating a vehicle, handling food, serving customers, and carrying expensive equipment. One accident, injury, or fire could put your business on hold. That's why the right insurance is essential. But what coverage do you need? General liability, which protects you if a customer gets sick or injured. Commercial auto, which covers your truck in the case of accidents on the road. Property coverage, which protects your kitchen equipment, appliances, and supplies. Workers' compensation, which covers employees if they get injured while working. Business interruption insurance, which helps cover lost income if your truck cannot operate. Now let's talk budget. On average, food truck insurance costs between $2,000 and $4,000 per year, depending on factors like your location, your staff size, type of cuisine you're serving, and coverage limits. Now, choosing the right policy means balancing protection with affordability. Don't cut corners because even one claim can cost more than the entire policy itself. At Farmer Brown Insurance, we work with food truck owners across the country to customize policies that fit your business and your budget. We shop multiple carriers to find the best coverage at the right price. So to wrap it up, food truck insurance protects your business, your employees, and your customers. Don't leave it to chance. Get covered before you hit the road. Visit farmerbrown.com or call us today for a free quote. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.